story. Good morning. Myself, Reaction Gaya. I am studying standard for A. So,
Today I'm going.
today I am going to tell you a story. The first story. This is a true story. Once upon a time in Bengal, this was one particular able had a school inspection. So as the student who will become boss, some children said that I will become collector, I will become doctor, I will become engineer. But it was surprise. One little boy said, I will become Tangawala because we want to combine to school in Tanga. Coming to school in Tanga. All people were laughing to him, but also angry to him. Then he went to home with crying face. His mother asked the reason. The boy said, "Ma, I will become Tangawala." Mother said, "Yes, you are to become Tangawala." Like his poster, the poster was Krishna Bhagwan at Osaki, Arjun in Kurukshetra. You have to become world leader like Krishna Tangawala. Next day, they asked again, who will become God? The reply was same Tangawala. The reply was same Tangawala. All people laughed it again, but boy saw the pastor all were surprised. You know who was that boy? Yes, that boy name was Narendra. Swami Vivekanand, who lead world in highest spiritual level. Moral of the story: if you have big vision, nobody can stop it.
Thank you.